Not long after finishing the doctorate, they sent me on a weekly basis, and even in the week sometimes, to the mountain opposite, to Sejano, but there was no resident priest. And it became a part of my life. These good people who needed a shepherd. And there was a beauty in being involved with old churches, one of which was linked with the saint of the area, Bernardino, the propagator of devotion to the holy name and reparation to the same. There is a beauty in being ordained in Italy, for one has access to all history. They have not had the Reformation and the destruction that followed it. Time still stands as it stood. And old habits die hard. At this time, there would be a big procession through the streets. We had major relics there, and the whole town was involved, band and all. One found these souls where they were at. And in Italy, at Eastertide, one would enter all the houses and bless them. One got to know one's people well, in their own context. Nothing can replace that for a priest. The priest's place is with his people, not with his computer. Shepherding is one thing, administering is another. Here's the old church of St Bernardine, where we had Mass on one Sunday out of the 4. Many memories return. And indeed, my first funeral was at Sejano. Here are some of the relics and traces of the saint. And from him I learned the importance of the preached word. He preached in a way that got through to people and everyone understood. And the preacher must do the same. And I also understood the beauty of creating an atmosphere in church. Music and chant creates a locus of encounter where souls are consoled, and Jesus, Lord of Beauty, is given a space. Lord, you take over. Music is the art of the muses, musicae techne, and was in early times thought to be linked with the divine. This is the parish church where we would sing and praise. It's the church of St Bartholomew. There is a medicine in the universe that hovers in the air, as in the page wherein it dormant lies. For hours rehearse the language of a beauty, age to age, from brain to brain, hands on. And yesterday in many morrows lives, for joy once known may tingle yet, a distant unborn day. And much is heard in touches shared alone. For harmony is wholeness twice bid be, and loudness knows no cry as long as this faint echo of true song. For melody is truth unuttered well, and sounds of bliss have power in regions dark, where marked yet lies a vibrancy that walked across the sky.